Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix the touchpad of an Acer. Look at this, there's nothing showing on screen. So I have two methods how to fix the touchpad of an Acer, and this happens mostly when you install a new Windows, maybe Windows 8 or Windows 10, which is above Windows 7. So here my computer, I just installed Windows 10 from Windows 7. Then my mouse pointer is not showing when I touch on the pad, but it's easy. I'm going to teach you how to fix that. Our fix method, we have our function key, then there is our function. You see this better? This is function 7. So you click this function key and function 7 simultaneously. There you go. See, the mouse pointer starts showing on the screen, right? As I'm scrolling there, start showing up there. That's the first method. Then the second method, we have to turn off the machine. Then by the time we turn it on, we click function 2. Then it shows some options. Let me do it for you. Turn off the machine. Okay, that's where the machine is turned off. Okay, now the machine is off. Then the turn it on. Here's the computer light. Click on function 2. Okay, when you click on function 2 as the computer light, then the computer screen will display something like this. Then you come on keyboard, then click there, then you open on main, then you scroll down, and select touchpad. Right, see touchpad there, down there. Yes, there you go. Then currently, let's say the settings are on advanced. Then what you have to do is to click on basic, then click enter, and from there you see down here the options. Okay, there's function 10, which will save and exit. Then you go on the keyboard, there's function 10. Go, and what you have to do, enter and say yes. Then the computer will restart after saving these changes. It's ready for light. Then what's left now is to, you see now the mouse pointer is showing on the screen. There's mouse pointer, and then simple ta-da. Then when you put in the password, then the screen will show there. The mouse pointer will be shown on the screen.